Welcome to Global Deal Explorer, your go-to destination for the smartest buys worldwide. Today, we're diving into the top 5 robot vacuum cleaners of 2026. Powerful, intelligent, and designed to make your life effortless. Starting at number 5, we have the ABI X6, a smart and reliable entry into the robotic cleaning world. Equipped with visual navigation, this vacuum maps your home using camera-based tracking, ensuring efficient cleaning paths. With 6,000 PA suction power, it handles dust, debris, and even light carpet cleaning with ease. The app-controlled virtual barrier system allows you to define no-go zones, giving you full control over where it cleans. Plus, its wet mopping function adds an extra layer of shine to your floors. Perfect for budget-conscious buyers looking for solid performance with smart features. At number 4, we step things up with the Liectroux X6. Featuring advanced laser navigation, this robot delivers precise mapping and efficient cleaning routes across multiple floors. With 6,500 PA suction, it offers stronger pickup performance, especially on carpets. Its zone cleaning and restricted area controls make it highly customizable, while its wet and dry mopping system ensures a thorough clean. This is a great mid-range option for those who want smarter navigation and consistent performance. Coming in at number 3, the ABI K30 brings convenience to a whole new level. Its standout feature, the auto empty dock, meaning you can go weeks without touching dust. With 6,500 PA suction power and multi-floor mapping, it handles large homes effortlessly. The addition of UV spot cleaning helps eliminate bacteria, making it ideal for families and pet owners. Add in customized room cleaning settings, and you've got a powerful, hands-off cleaning solution. At number 2, we have the incredibly powerful Lefant M3 Max. With a massive 20,000 PA suction rating, this vacuum is built for deep cleaning performance. Whether it's pet hair, dust, or debris, it handles it all effortlessly. Its dual spinning mop system combined with auto mop washing delivers a hands-free mopping experience. And thanks to anti-tangle brushes, it's perfect for homes with pets or long hair. This is a premium choice for users who want both power and advanced mopping technology. And taking the top spot, the Xiaomi MIJIA H40. This robot vacuum represents the future of home cleaning. With 10,000 PA Cyclone suction, it delivers powerful, consistent performance across all surfaces. Its LVS laser navigation system ensures highly accurate mapping and intelligent path planning. But what really sets it apart is the high-speed rotary scrubbing system, giving your floors a deep, polished clean. Combining cutting-edge technology, strong performance, and premium build quality, this is the ultimate robot vacuum of 2026. And that wraps up our top 5 robot vacuum cleaners of 2026. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options or premium smart cleaning solutions, there's something here for every home. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more global deals and smart tech reviews. See you in the next video, only on Global Deal Explorer.